What's up guys, welcome to this Patagonia jacket review of the men's Nano Air hybrid jacket from Patagonia. I want to do this video just to kind of show you, I've been picking up some new Patagonia gear and I've been looking online for things that show these jackets close up. So in this, on this channel, I'm going to try and dig a bit deeper into the tech and the travel gear that I use when I'm traveling. It is bloody hot here in the Outer Banks of North Carolina, so I'm going to try not to sweat one out whilst I talk about this. But this is going to be a one take. I want you to have a little look at this jacket. First of all, it's very light. I would say this is probably a great jacket for places that you go that are warmer environments, but you know it's going to be a little bit cooler in the evenings. This jacket is super light, compact, and it's very easy to pack into a bag. This has just a little collar to protect the neck. So it goes up just like this. I think it fits really well. I'm wearing a medium. And the interesting thing is there's these two fabrics. So it's got this kind of more softer, kind of wind resistant fabric here, which is double layered with a thin insulation. And then on the bottom, there is this more fleecy liner that's textured. And if you hold it up to the light, you can actually see through it. So it lets air through and it's very breathable, and it goes all the way into the armpit section down to the side of the body, which I think is going to be great if you just are maybe doing some activities, maybe you're doing some moving and you're starting off relatively cold and you want this thing to be breathable if you're doing some sort of activity. The back piece as well, the lower back, is also fleece. And overall, this is the medium. Like I said, I'm 6 foot. I'm about 170 pounds in US weight metrics. I don't know what that is in anything else. Relatively slim, and this fits great for me. If I put my arms out, kind of goes over to my wrists here. I feel like this is the perfect size. Inside the jacket, you don't really have much. There are no inner pockets inside of this, but as you can see, there's this lining here that is somewhat transparent, or at least see-through, so you can see that air can get through this well. I'm really excited about using this jacket on a day-to-day basis. Patagonia makes incredible gear that lasts forever. I have a run of Patagonia equipment that I've been using for the last 6 years, and only now some of it's starting to wear. But overall, I think this is going to be a great addition to my travel kit when I'm going somewhere warm, but I think that it's going to get a little bit cooler in the evenings. When we look at the zips here close up, they are plastic, but the zipper itself is metal. These are YKK zips. Super durable with the little rope drawstring. I feel like this is a really good mechanism. The rope is perfect, simple, but works really well. I have found that in some of my other jackets, this little bit of string does eventually wear out, but I'm talking jackets that I've worn almost every day for like 6 years. So the other thing I'm not too sure about is how durable this material is going to be over time, especially as it's at the back where I might be sitting down as well. That is a kind of question that I think only time will tell. But overall, Patagonia has been super good when it comes to durability, and they have a lot of repair programs as well. So I think that will help. If you want more of these videos, please subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.